In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a Brevo form double opt-in. This is a simple setting that helps confirm that new subscribers truly want to receive your emails. When double opt-in is enabled, people submit your form, and then they receive a confirmation message. Only after they confirm will they be added as active subscribers. This can improve deliverability and reduce the chance of spam complaints. To get started, go to the main dashboard area and find Marketing. In many Brevo layouts, Marketing is where you manage campaign assets like forms and email settings. Once you open Marketing, select Forms. This will take you to the page where all of your existing forms are listed, including forms you have already created. Now take a moment to locate your existing form in the list. You should see the forms displayed with their names and statuses, depending on how your account is set up. When you find the form you want to update, click the Edit button on that form. This is important because you only want to change the configuration for the specific form you are using, not every form in your account. After you click Edit, you will be taken into the Form Builder or Form Settings area. Look for the tab called Settings. This is where you can control behavior options, such as how new signups are confirmed and how notifications are handled. Switching to the Settings tab ensures you are changing the correct part of the form configuration. Next, you will see an option labeled Double Opt-in. Toggle this option to ON. Turning it on activates the confirmation flow. As you do this, pay attention to any small descriptions near the toggle, because those descriptions sometimes explain what happens after someone submits the form. This is the core change you are making, so make sure it is clearly set to the enabled position before moving on. Once double opt-in is turned on, the next thing you need to address is the confirmation template. A confirmation template is the email that new subscribers will receive after they submit your form. On the same settings area, select a confirmation template to send to new subscribers. If you already have a template that fits your needs, choosing it here will save you time and keep the messaging consistent. If you do not see a suitable template, you can create a new one. The interface typically offers an option to create a new template, or to set one up from within this area. Creating a new one is a normal process, and it ensures the confirmation email matches your brand and your preferred wording. After you have selected the right confirmation template, the final step is to apply your changes. Click Save or Done depending on what your specific form editor shows. This confirms the double opt-in setting and the selected template, so your form will begin using the updated confirmation behavior for new submissions. Before wrapping up, it helps to quickly ensure that the form reflects your changes in the interface. If you see the double opt-in option still set to On, then you have successfully updated the form. That means new signups will receive a confirmation email, and only confirmed users will be added according to the double opt-in flow. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.